Have you ever tried ginger and lemon immune system booster drink? Let's dive into it. I'll be using ginger to make this recipe. These are a simple ingredients you can have at home to make this drink. It's also perfect for taking your tea if you want to add ginger to your tea and lime. It's also perfect for it. Also, it's also perfect for weight loss. So I'll show you how I make this simple drink at home, and it's very fast, and you can also store it in the refrigerator. Please remember to wash your ingredients before you start making any recipe. So I already pared the ginger, so I'll just dice it. You can chop it any how you want, but I like mine a little bit not too small, not too big, but easy for the blender to blend. We're using lemon for this recipe as well. I'll be using, you can use 3 or 4 lemon. It all depends on the quantity you want to make and store in the fridge. So I'm not storing too much quantities. It's just I'm making this recipe for just 5 days. Then I can prepare another fresh one in another 5 days. So I'll be using 3 lime for this recipe. If you're trying to lose weight, lime and ginger drink is perfect for it. It's very fast to prepare. You can add a touch of honey if you prefer. You can also take this drink as warm. If you want warm drink, you can take it warm. But I prefer mine as room temperature. I prefer taking this first thing in the morning because I already have a freshly made one, so I prefer storing mine for 5 days so I don't make too much quantity. So it don't normally change its taste. It tastes remain the same for a very long time, but I prefer my fresh to get a perfect result. So after cutting my lime, I try to remove the seed as much as I can. So I'm going to add my lime into a blender. Then I'll go ahead and add my cut ginger as well, that which is my chopped ginger as well. Then I'm going to add some water to blend our lime and ginger to get that perfect juice for weight loss and for immune system. This drink is very good to boost your immune system. Please remember to blend until everything is smooth. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And please remember, leave down comment in the comment section. I'm here to reply to your questions. So after blending, I'm going to save this. You can choose not to save this. It all depends on how powerful your blender is. But I prefer saving mine because I don't want any particles. You know, taking drink. You prefer, most of us prefer something that is very smooth and it goes through the throat very easily. So you can choose not to save yours, but I prefer saving mine. Briefly, benefits of this ginger and lime immune system drink. Ginger is believed to reduce some risks of cancer. Lemon are good source of vitamins and minerals. Ginger and lime helps in increasing digestion and is also good in boosting immune system. This drink is so healthy and you are going to enjoy the taste. It tastes really good. You can decide to add honey to help boost this drink. You can take it warm and you can take it in room temperature. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hope to see you next time.